Alright guys, today we're going to work on some expanded form, which should be review from things in second grade, but this is just going to help us with our addition, understanding place values, especially when we start carrying and borrowing like we're doing in some of our double digit addition. So we briefly touched on it last week that each number has a value. So we have 252. This number here isn't just 2, right? We talked about money last week. If I asked you if you'd rather have that or this, you'd have to choose this, right? Because this is 200. So what expanded form is we're separating all those numbers. So we start with the first. So this 2 here is actually 200, right? This number counts as 200, not just 2. So then you add a plus sign, and your next number says 5. Well, we're not going to write just 5, right? Because that's in the tens place. You'll remember we made that anchor chart together in class. This 5 actually equals 50. And then we move to our last number, 2, which is in the ones place. And in this case, that 2 does actually equal just 2. Okay? So when you write 252 in expanded form, it's 200 plus 500 plus 2. Okay? Let's see if we can try some more. Let's try the number 584. Okay? So we have 584 here. Get you a little closer so you can see. 584 is our number. So we start with the 5, and it's going to be 500. Okay, that's in our hundreds place, is that number 500. Number 5 is in 100, so it equals 500. Then we move on to the tens, and we have 80. 8's in the tens place, so it equals 80. Okay, then last but not least 4, it's in the ones place, so it equals 4. So 584 in expanded form is going to be 500 plus 80 plus 4. Okay? Let's move down. We'll try one more. Hopefully this is starting to dry off. So my chalk works. Let's try one more, and then I'll let you guys do a few on your own. So let's go with 674. Okay, 674. 674. So if you say the name out loud, sometimes you can even hear that, right? The 6 here. Not just 6, 600. Then you're going to add. Your tens place is 7. That's not a 7, it's 7D. And then in the ones place is 4, so you're going to have 4. So 674 is our expanded form. So what I want you to do now is you're going to do a couple of these on your own. You're going to do it through Cami, which we practice with. Remember when you open that PDF up at the top, it says open with Cami. Hit that blue button. You can either write with the pen or do the text feature here. Either one works for me, whatever you find easiest. So let's just get that done and turned in. Take your time and make sure you're paying attention to those place values. We have 100, 10, ones. 674. Okay? Good job, guys.